Well, I couldn't be happier with my installation. It does look beautiful. I love that they have this rubbed bronze finish, but the workings are the same. It's solid brass, rubber handle, and maybe the thing I love more than anything is it's made right here in Kansas City.
Always love that. Well, what I like about mine is that I can control the temperature. It can be really cold on days like today, or it can be really hot. So even in the winter, if I'm trying to hose down my truck and get it cleaned off, I can easily do that and not freeze to death.
That's pretty nice.
Right? And you can set it. It can just be a little warm, it can be hot or cold, just like a shower.
How sweet is that?
I know. And it looks awesome on my house. Now that we've painted it black, this finish looks perfect.
Well, it's nice that they've got both options. I didn't need the hot out here, right. But I think maybe I'll install one in my garage now, and I might want to put the hot and cold in there.
Exactly. Well, and it is easy to turn. It's nice, simple, works great.
And how long did the installation take us? Maybe an hour?
Maybe.
Maybe?
Yeah.
And perfect. Works
great.
fine first time. I love that.
The boys love using it warm when it's...
I figured they like the cold water to spray each other.
Well, they do, but see, you can control that.
So now they can scald each other.
They can scold each other. They can freeze each other out. It's fun.
All right. Well, this is great. I'm glad you got us lined up with these people.
I know.
Prier's great to work with.